welcome back to yet another vlog. Thanks for rocking with your girl Ree. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, you can stop right now. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And if this is not your first time, thank you for tuning in again and being subscribed. Let's stay tuned, see what this vlog holds. Freaking pig is in the backyard. Y'all, it is cold outside. I mean, like, cold. Do y'all see how my sister out here? You can literally see the smoke coming from the car. Y'all see that? And she is out here in freaking shorts. Yeah, my sister ready to go out. And she trying to drink, but she go out and she can't get the damn wine open. I don't think it's meant, y'all. Oh, Lord. Wait a minute. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, man, she a bartender, too.
Long time. Oh, let's see some, y'all.
Let me see. Let me see what I can do.
Hold on.
So y'all, the light might be a little off, but y'all get the point. First of all, I mean, I don't drink wine personally, so judge your mama before you judge me. But oh, they don't got the little joint on here like the liquor. That's
why she was ready to talk shit. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Look at this, y'all.
Get the fuck out of here. Get my goddamn wine so I can drink it now. This why I need it.
Hey, y'all, what was she twisting? I think she was twisting the neck of the bottle. She won't even twisting the cap. She was twisting the neck of the bottle, but we ain't even gonna tell nobody that she wanna get
Cheers.
Y'all, and look at this cup. So I thought when wine is supposed to be a taste. Y'all, she got a full freaking cup. Do y'all see this? She filled this cup up like it's some juice, baby. Hey y'all, it is the next day. I did not get to hang any curtains last night. Go figure, she didn't have the right hooks. But today we are going out and about, so maybe she'll get the right hooks so that I can hang the curtains. Your girl went to get an eye exam, and they told me that I need a new set of eyes to see HD, baby. So I'm going today to look for some glasses. And I don't know what else today may hold, but I am gonna vlog today so that I can get this vlog edited and up for y'all. So stay tuned. Let's see what the day holds. Yeah. Hey y'all, so we are just getting to the mall, and your girl is about to go and look at some lenses, some glasses, another set of eyes. Got your girl Naja with me, my sister. We walking in the mall. I'll see y'all shortly. Okay, y'all, so we are all in here trying on glasses. I'm supposed to be the only one.
All of us blind, y'all. Welcome to the family.
So I tried on these, y'all, and they telling me that it's giving too much care.
Look, she's shaking.
Too much care. What y'all got to say about these?
Look at her.
I don't like these. It's giving black eye.
I like those. You do.
You know. Look at y'all. Let me try to lighter glasses on. Somebody with a big head. Somebody with a big head had these on. I don't want any
Oh no, baby, I don't like those.
I don't want any glasses with the metal. I like these, kind of. What should I got to say? No, I don't like these in the camera.
Like it's not giving.
No.
You be twin.
I don't want no glasses with metal on the ear part or the nose part.
Try these.
I tried clear glasses. They won't for me.
You don't know what's for you.
I've been trying on glasses. This ain't my first rodeo. Alright. What are those? I don't know what them is.
iAmRih. See that? iAmRih. They're all made brand. All of them. Every single last one of them.
I like it.
Exactly.
I do.
I know.
I like it, y'all. What y'all got to say?
She looks like she's smart.
You know what? So maybe I need to try like a thinner frame.
Yeah, don't go so big.
Yeah, that's what
Go
I
very
said.
small. That's why I give these type of frames.
She done picked the first pair of glasses, y'all, that she seen. She ain't even trying them on.
Who? You? No, I did try them on. You just ain't see them.
I don't know what these look like because I can't see.
All right. You don't like these?
I know.
See, I tried them on.
I like these. Okay, so I can do these.
Yes, those are cute. I like those.
What y'all think? I think I like these, y'all. What y'all got to say? Don't talk about my forehead, y'all. They say all pretty girls got big foreheads. But anyhow,
Well, what's the difference with these?
I think I like these.
I don't think there is no difference.
So let's see.
Well, which one? All right, look at these.
I think it look alright. Naja, you need to find another glass. Some more glass. Well, you can get your insurance. No, you need to go get an updated prescription. You can't do shit till you go make another appointment.
Y'all see this? This is who y'all watch.
That's right, because Naja had an eye exam appointment, and she did not go to her eye exam appointment because she wanted to go to work. And I had told her ahead of time that she had an appointment, y'all. So she canceled the appointment and still has not rescheduled. So she's still wearing eye frames, prescriptions from 2 years ago.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
It's okay.
I can't have a blind sister, blind mama, blind daddy, blind daughter. I think I like it. But they do sit so low. Like I want my glasses to...
I like the thinner frames.
Yeah, I do
I don't
too.
even know where I get these from.
These extra thick.
stickers.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like she picked up these, y'all.
these ones is stickers.
She picked up these. Jones is thick.
And I think they only cover, I think wild insurance only cover like 100. So where's your bill?
It says 20% over. Let's see. See, it's the metal. I don't want the metal. Why? I don't.
What's wrong with that?
That must be weird.
It's a more weird thing.
So y'all, I'll be back once I find me a glass frame or whatever. I'm coming back. Right, so your girl has made a choice. I am having some frames that I like, and I am coming back to pick up. I'm sorry, y'all, my attention is off walking through this mall. What happened? Oh, are we gonna do this? Are we gonna sniff? But I did pick a frame, y'all. I couldn't focus. This new, y'all, but I'm trying to get a full vlog so I can get this vlog edited and posted, because I said I was gonna be more consistent, y'all, so bear with me. While Naja back there talking about I can't focus, I'm good. But I did find a frame that I really, really like. Here it goes. This is what I wanted to smell. So let me sit y'all down. So yeah, we just got in Macy's, and I've been seeing the girls talk about this Valentino right here.
Yes.
And I definitely want to smell it, because it might be my next thing. It might be my next thing.
It's somewhere here, bro.
Those probably I've used.
I want to smell this Valentino.
The little squirts.
Oh, it locked. That's cute, y'all. It locked. I ain't got one of those.
God.
This do smell
Take
good.
this bed.
That one smell good too. That one smell wrong.
I like this one.
So I would say, I see all the girls talking about this one. Granted, this one smells good. It's sweeter. But I think this one right here smells more mature. Giving grown woman.
Let me get a picture of that.
Right.
Because that's on my shopping cart.
Right.
On Amazon. How you doing? Hold on. It's Voce Viva. Well, one is Intensa, and then one.
Don't worry about
Don't
it.
worry about it, sweetheart. All right, then.
Y'all annoying.
Let me smell that one.
It's sweeter, but it still, I think it still smells good.
This is giving little girl vibes.
I like sweet smell.
I do too, but this is giving little girl.
Well, she don't like it.
I like it. It just, smell that. It just is very light. It's very sweet. But when you smell that compared to this that grown woman. This that grown woman.
I like this too.
Which one is this?
Just smell it. Smell it now. What you think?
It's good.
Let me smell it.
Smell it.
It's a good
It do smell good. You think it smells good?
That's the blue one. It's like guilty swan. I know that one.
Oh my God, this I might just tell him starting to get a headache.
Because you talking about the man one. I was ready to say, nah, he bought a man one.
Smelling. The headache just keep coming.
Okay.
All right, y'all. So I got
Lose descriptions.
all right. That ain't the prescription.
I'm taking over, y'all. This is my vlog today. Today, we're in Macy's. It's 5/23, Saturday, January 28th. This month went by mad fast, too. But I just look nice.
And when you go looking for it, just type in line sale, like on women fragrances.
They got me in here smelling perfumes. These smell good, too. Can't see what I'm looking at, but it's okay. I'm trying to get these people in the camera, but they be like, why you recording me? Now they got me in Polo. This is my vlog. They got me in the men's section. There's nothing in here good, like trash. This mall is trash. Virginia malls are trash. Simple. I'm only recording because I don't know how to stop it. Look at them looking back here. Don't be looking back here. Little creeps, man. Not too much. You said what? Yeah. Not awkward. I used to want a YouTube channel. This is my YouTube now. We out here. Appreciate you.
This is what I was trying to avoid. It getting dark.
Yeah, look at this sunset. How you turn the camera? I probably can't see it. The sunset look real nice. The sky always look pretty. We're going back to the car. So we gonna catch y'all when we get to the next place. If she remember the vlog, you know. We gonna catch y'all though. See y'all later. Yo, what I do my phone?
Oh Lord. Come on back. She don't got her phone. You better go ahead.
Oh shit.
You left it sitting on Macy's and where the fragrances was. You moving slow like you don't even care.
Oh, it's in my pocket.
LeVon is in her pocket. But hold on, y'all. I'm so glad that I did not cut this vlog off. Do y'all see her?
Yo, it was in my left pocket.
Yeah, I'm not even unlocking the truck. She got us running back in Macy's.
That was really
She
running.
done left her phone.
Because I knew I didn't sit it down.
Bruh, we was really just running.
Yeah.
And the whole time,
Right.
where's my sister? What did you do? Right.
You got me running full speed.
Right.
Out here exercising and shit.
Oh my God, yo, I'm crying.
That's why I won't bring you nowhere.
Yo, y'all funny, bro. Y'all funny.
Y'all, we was really just like, and she was just, hold on, y'all. Let me get situated. Hold on.
Bruh. I mean, I'm ready to take the fuck off. I did.
Okay, hold on. So y'all, we walking back to the car. Naja gets this bright idea that she done left her phone in the mall. Go figure. So me and my sister take off. We like, Naja, you need to come on. You know, you need to act like this is an emergency. Like somebody will pick your phone up and walk off. So before we can even touch the door, Naja, we running like we done seen somebody that we got smoke with. Before we can even get to the door, here she go. Oh, it's in my pocket.
Yo, I didn't feel it.
Yeah, I'm over it. I am over it. Anyhow, I am now about to go get my mother, grab us something to eat, and let's see where this vlog takes us. Yeah. Hey y'all, so we are just getting to the mall, and your girl is about to go and look at some lenses, some glasses, another set of eyes. Got your girl Naja with me, my sister. We walking in the mall. I'll see y'all shortly. Hey y'all, so excuse me, I know it's dark and y'all can't see me, one moment, but I just wanted to check back in and let y'all know that I have picked out a glass. Well, I talked to y'all when I picked out my glasses. We left the mall, we went to get something to eat, and I am now at my mother's house, and it's a house full of old. Oh, you good? So I wanted to bring y'all with me. So I want y'all to listen for real, because these old people be something else. And I say these old people, give you a liar. Y'all heard of old people?
Don't do that, please don't do that. I'm not feeling it. You don't know what she's doing, she gonna put our ass out there. What's wrong with you? And they gonna sit there and have people laughing at our ass. Shit. Keep me coming. No.
Hi, Pocket.
Somebody over there doing something right there.
Yeah, you're late. Now that's what you get. Yeah, that's what you get. And I want in here.
That is not fair. Now let me see what you do.
No.
We can't. Good. I still want to hear it.
Yeah, we had Zaxby's, and let me tell y'all, when we got this Zaxby's, we ordered our food, and when we ordered our food, they didn't have, well, they didn't give us, they didn't have barbecue, they didn't have nothing to drink. They tried us because they gave us tea, and the tea ain't had sugar. Then when we gave them the tea back to tell them we wanted something different, they tried to tell us all they had was fruit punch. Literally, in their machine, all they had was fruit punch. So we all had to settle with fruit punch.
As long as you know that. Turn to yourself.
I'm talking to my camera.
Don't you get that shit?
See, the old people turn up for me.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, we always like to love each other when we see each other. We talk on the phone. Tony girlfriend.
Oh, yeah. One time we was hanging when them damn children were little. We was hanging.
Yeah, we were hanging, boy. You used to get me so fucking drunk. I didn't know how I got from point A to point B.
My girl, Big Janet, used to.
And when did she say her coochie?
Oh, see, I don't know about all that.
I talk about.
Because they don't have them in the window laid naked. You know,
That baby look fat as hell, but she a pretty as fat baby.
You was alright.
You used to dress her.
Yes, I do.
And the dresses and shit.
I got.
Y'all, so today is the next day. It is Sunday. It is, let's see, what's the date? It is January 29th, 2023. And last night after I left the old people, I didn't do anything. I came home, showered, dressed, and watched BMF. that was a really good episode. But I'm not a spoiler, so I won't go into detail. But anyhow, today is Sunday. Normally on Sundays, it's my chill day. I relax, kick back, wash clothes, clean, you know, the basic American things to do to restart your week, that I'm sure a majority of us do on this platform or whatever. Anyhow, today I have to run out and get dinner to cook, and I'm going to help my sister create some content. Outside of that, I'm thinking I might start my daughter's hair. Not sure about that either, but we shall see what today holds. Stay tuned and let's see what today holds, the rest of this vlog holds, whatever the case may be. So y'all, now I know why my energy was so low this morning before I even left out the house. Y'all see what it looked like out here? It is muggy, it's rain, it's drizzling, it's ugly, and the weather got my energy really low. Like, I hate this weather. But we are going in a hair store to match Naja's hair color, because I recently I dyed her hair and then we turned around and bleached her hair. So we are in the hair store. Oh, look at these, Naja. This is cute. Look, y'all, in the hair store. Naja don't like them. Look at, but we in the hair store to match her. Look, Naja. It's just a Scully. She is such a designer whore. But anyway, we in the hair store trying to match her hair color to some braiding hair so I can braid her hair. So y'all, that was real quick and real easy. They did not have much options. So we are out of there and we still don't have any hair. So y'all, we still don't have any hair because their options was like slim to none. So I need to now find another hair store. And then I still have to find a fish market because I want fresh fried fish today. Excuse me. And I've been to 2 fish markets already and they were both closed, I guess because today is Sunday. I'm feeling like I just need to go home and try it all over. But I'm gonna keep going because I do have a little list of things to do. I need to go to like Walmart or Target and grab some household items, and I do need to get me some fish or at least something to cook today. And we need to get Naja hair. That is on the agenda outside of me going to create some content with my sister for social media. So stay tuned, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. Y'all, that was so stressful. Like, just being out in that weather is freaking stressful. We still didn't get Naja hair, but I did get something to cook for this evening. Actually, I got 2 separate meals because my adult child is a brat and she didn't want what I was originally cooking, so I'm gonna cook her something different. I got some household items along with what I am going to be cooking for dinner. So now I'm just about to put everything up and start dinner. Y'all, I still have not washed my hair. It's been a week. Y'all see my hair. But anyway, so like I said, I'm about to put this stuff up. I'm about to start dinner. And I'll check back in with y'all once I get that started, because I still do have to, once dinner is done, I still do have to go to my sister with this content. So stay tuned.